Aquarius, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. It has page been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day: faithfulness. Faith without works are dead. Faith without vision is dead. You have a vision. You've been putting in the work. The key to this faithfulness, to this door, is consistency, not stopping, never giving up, showing up every single day, showing out every single day, taking small steps, medium, huge steps. As long as you're taking steps in the right direction to build and not give up on your original plan, on your gift, this is what Spirit is asking you to do. I commit to my mind, heart, and will, and I'm devoted to the needs of my soul, which is going to be success. I trust in myself, in God, in the universe, and I'm ready for my breakthrough. You're going to blow up. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.